Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bake That. My name is Kate and I am going to show you how to make an easy homemade pie crust. I will also show you how to use any extra dough. This is a great easy recipe for making flaky pie crust any time of the year for any pies or tarts. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you make this pie crust, let me know in the comments section how you liked it. Pour the flour and salt into a large bowl and mix by hand. Cut the chilled unsalted butter in cubes and then cut into even smaller cubes. Add the shortening and the butter to the bowl and mix together using a pastry cutter, 2 forks, or your hands. To speed up this process, since I don't have a pastry cutter, I'm going to mix this by hand. Add ice water a tablespoon at a time and mix. Make sure to use chilled ice water as this will make the shortening and the butter stay cold and not melt in the mixture. These fats will ensure you get a flaky pie crust. Stop adding water once large clumps start to form in the mixture. Shape the dough into a ball. Move the dough to a floured surface and add some flour to your hands. Cut the dough in half and use your hands to flatten them out. Once these are flattened, transfer the dough to saran wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. If you are using this dough at a future date, seal them tightly and place them in the freezer. If you see specks of white in the dough, this is completely normal and actually good. This is only the shortening and the butter. Fold the dough a few times and they will disappear. Transfer the dough to a floured surface and flour your rolling pin. Gently roll the dough out, rotating the dough after every few rolls. If you notice the dough is sticking to the rolling pin, add more flour to the dough. If the dough is not even, fold the dough and roll it out. Take the plate you plan to use and place it over the dough to make sure the crust will cover the whole plate, including the sides. Using a floured rolling pin, roll the dough onto the rolling pin and transfer the dough to the pie plate. Adjust the dough onto the plate and either fold the dough around the edge of the plate or trim it off. If you trim the dough off, you can add some cinnamon and sugar and bake the excess dough in the oven. This is something that my family has always made every Thanksgiving, and I look forward to it. I will include that recipe in the description below. If you would like to create a border around the plate, place 2 fingers on the edge of the plate and use your finger on your other hand to pull the dough in. Go around the plate creating this pattern. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and select the bell to get notifications on future content.